Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. If you have locked your profile on Facebook and you don't know how to unlock it, so in today's video I'm going to guide you that how you can unlock your Facebook profile. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. To begin with, you need to open your Facebook application on your device. From there, you need to tap on your profile icon here, and from this menu you need to choose settings. So once you tap on settings, it will bring you to the settings and privacy page. All you need to do is to scroll down where you will find the audience and visibility option. Just under that, you will find the profile locking option. So once you tap on that, here as you can see, my profile has been locked. So if I want to unlock it, you will find the option right here. Tap on the unlock option and it will bring me here, and from here you need to just tap on unlock your profile. So from now on, as you can see, you unlocked your profile. So my profile has been unlocked. In this way, guys, you can unlock your profile on Facebook. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.